I'm only a few weeks away from firing my largest rocket motor yet, Mega X. But first, I need to build a brand new test stand to hold this thing down during the static fire. Mega X is no joke, around 500 pounds of thrust, over 2 feet long, and 3.5 inches in diameter. With a motor this big, the test stand has one job: keep it locked in place and collect clean, accurate data. So I build the whole frame out of 4040 T-slot extrusion. It's strong, super adjustable, and lets me configure anything without rebuilding the whole test stand. 8 M6 threaded rods with 3D printed end caps clamp down the motor on all sides to make sure it does not move at all. This is where JLC CNC comes in. They machine the custom parts for this build with high tolerance, clean black anodization, and everything just bolts together perfectly. I've used JLC CNC on a bunch of projects now, and they've always been consistently great with quality and turnaround time. Huge thanks to them, link in the description. Inside the stand, I mounted a 500 kilogram button load cell, a 1600 psi pressure transducer, and an Arduino with SD logging. I'm also adding 3 thermocouples so I can measure the casing temperature and understand how reusable this motor actually is. Once everything was wired, I calibrated each sensor and ran some early load cell tests to make sure the motor was seated correctly. Then I brought the whole test stand down to my blast chamber for a dry fit. It's heavy, but it fits. It just needs to be bolted into the concrete before the static fire. And that's the full Mega X test stand. If you want to see the entire build process and every detail, there's a full YouTube video up now. Check it out in the description below.